Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The introduction of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The blockchain is here to remain explicitly. With this certainty of calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work past 40 hours to make a genuinely novel digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credits, making installments, and all in replaceable nearby monetary standards. Before we essentially start with definite Nexo cost expectation, we should really take a look at coin outline incredibly. What makes Nexo unique? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money upheld credits to clients. These credits basically don't need a FICO rating, and this component makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check total Nexo survey here. After storing, a credit line opens up and no credit check is fundamental. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their financial balance. The whole structure of Nexo depends on two standards: 1. Scalability of exchanges, 2. Facilitating a smooth mix with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A remarkable element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary standards. These cards can be utilized for limits and the best advantage clients determine as they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo, technical analysis. Like in every practical sense, other digital forms of money, Nexo also is generally subject to value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it essentially depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists most certainly fluctuate as they would like to think about the explicitly guarantees Nexo holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.987, an extensive leap that mirrored a tremendous measure of early financial backer interest. Be that as it may, it stamped nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had moved up above 73 cents, however at that point, it confronted a slight remedy and retested the 50 cents mark, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Shockingly, in the COVID-19 stage, the verifiable information shows, when any remaining monetary forms exhibited a bleak execution, the Nexo cost has displayed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop. Understanding starting from the start of this current year. The cost of Nexo has been consistently rising, and as of late, it has denoted a record-breaking kind of high of $4.05 in a significant manner. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50, and right now, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-by-week value change of 27%. Nexo price prediction by experts. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo figure contrasted with conventional monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around $2.29 with a 24 hours value change of -0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There is as of now a coursing supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost guess for 2027 is $9.309. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%. According to the Conjecture Information Investigation, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo and Nexo in 2022. Taking into account our Nexo figure, specialized examination, and market refreshes, many undertakings reaching realization by year's end overall around greatest cost expectation of $5 cannot sort of be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo conjecture of cost sounds profoundly bullish in the future as it has shown a solid consistency in a significant manner. Toward the finish of 2022, the Nexo/USD cost could without much of a stretch swing around $2.58757, settling on trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. Nexo price predictions, 2022 to 2026. In spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2022 to 2026 are impartial as far as development, the drawn-out viewpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs may especially proceed upwards, crossing $2.75 by 2022 and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful estimates. Nexo price prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, for example 2022, which is very critical. The cost of Nexo also will for the most part run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2.03 mark in view of cost expectations. Nexo price prediction 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, it essentially is almost certain that the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an estimated possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo price prediction 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in light of expectation at the cost of Nexo and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It sort of is normal that Nexo will manage the crypto realm, disposing of BTC strength with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.94, which is very huge. Nexo has especially maximum capacity to support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, chiefly in light of areas of strength for its Nexo price prediction 2025 in an unpretentious manner. The current year's expectations could stamp as the benchmark year as the cost of Nexo is determined to outperform $4.62